Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about another white box technique, which is condition coverage. Condition coverage is a white box technique like statement and decision coverage, but it tests the system in a more thoroughly way, okay? So in condition coverage, our goal is to test each condition in our code in its true and false cases. So let's first define the word condition. We need to test all the conditions. What are the conditions, okay? Or the most important question, what is the difference between decision and condition? We know the definition of decision. We said if x is greater than 3, this is a decision, okay? And it has two decision outcomes. We talked about this in decision coverage. If this is our decision, so it is also a condition, okay? Keep it with me and you will understand it later. So if x is greater than 3, this is a decision and it is also a condition that the system will pass through. So when does the difference between decision and condition appear? If we look at this, if x is greater than 3 or y is greater than 5, this is a decision. All of this is considered as a decision, okay? If we are going to perform decision coverage on this, we will have two test cases. We will test the if condition or the if decision in the yes state and in the no state. But in condition coverage tests each condition of these. So these are two conditions. Okay, this is the first condition and this is the second condition. So we have one decision with two conditions. Condition coverage tests the conditions in the true and false cases. So he will test x is greater than 3 in the true and false state. And also he will test y is greater than 5 in the true and false state. Okay, so this is the difference between decision and condition coverage. We will not talk about how many test cases will be needed to cover the system and why is condition coverage important. What are the bugs that he will find that the decision coverage is not able to find. We'll talk about these things in next videos. But today we need only to understand the meaning of condition coverage, okay? So we have here two conditions and our goal is to test each condition of them in the yes and no state. So I will test x is greater than 3 and x is not greater than 3. I will test y is greater than 5 and y is not greater than 5. But if this is decision coverage, I will try to achieve this decision and try to make it false. So here also, let's see this example. If grade is greater than 90 or student has a sportive achievement or student has a disability. If the student has any of these three conditions, okay, these are three conditions, we will apply a discount for him. If he doesn't have any of them, we will not apply any discount, okay? Decision coverage will think of all of this as a separate decision outcome and will have one test case for the yes and one test case for the no. But condition coverage will test this in the true and false, will test this in the true and false, will test this in the true and false. Also, I will not talk about how many test cases will be required. This will be explained in next videos. So this is the definition of condition coverage in a simple way. Of course, it is more achievable, or it will find more bugs than statement and decision coverage. And we will talk about how will it find more bugs than them in the next video. Thank you and see you in the next lesson.